Hey, this day with JCB Academy. Today we're going to talk about the 3 P's. One thing being that you only need a cell phone and a vehicle to get started in this particular industry, or you can have a truck, a trailer, or an established tow truck driver can do this as well. And hey, they can join the course too and gain more knowledge to implement in their everyday skill set to produce more money. So when having a cell phone and a vehicle, only thing that you have to do is broker the deal with the customer, right? You choose the destination of your choice where you want to take the vehicle. You break the vehicle down at the particular junkyard. Now that particular junkyard may cut the converters, they may get the battery out, they may even take the wheels off. It just depends on you and how you negotiate that particular deal or negotiation with that company. Now, once you do that, you can turn around and sell those same parts that you got off of that vehicle and sell it to a core buyer or a particular junkyard in your particular state. That's one factor. Now, if you want all the profits, have a truck and you have a trailer. Now you broker the deal, you pick up the car, then you take the car to the junkyard of your destination, of your choice, and you profit 100% of it. Now, when having a vehicle and a cell phone, you don't lose much, technically speaking. What happens is you just have to factor in what you're going to pay the tow driver, as also what you paid the customer for the car, and what that catalytic converter pays on that particular vehicle, including the battery, the wheels. And if it has good tires on the vehicle, you can check the tread on it. And if it has good tread, you can sell those easily for $20 a piece. And also with the tow truck component, if you have a tow truck driver that picks up cars and they want to come check us out over here, we could definitely teach you about that and maximize your potential to make more money, and even train your team if you have one as well. Hey, if you own an automobile repair shop, you want to know about the junk car industry, come check us out over here at JCB Academy and let us help you start today, succeed tomorrow. This is Dave signing off, dropping all these good gems.